Good. For those of you who request for the video, the last time I post Akara on Instagram, on Facebook. This is the beans. This is the beans and the onions, and I'll grind them together. So that's how you make Akara. So. So I will just check it now if it's good to go. Not yet. Not yet. We still have some base inside. We still have some base inside. So yeah, we just have to start it again. Checking on it again. Yeah, kind of smooth, but I'll just a little bit blend it and see. Okay, I don't want seed inside it. By now. Okay. Yeah. The beans is well blended and the onions as well. So we turn it there. Okay. This is Akara. I think it will not be enough. I don't know. It will not be enough. I'll just it will be enough. So yeah. Let me see. Let's see. Feels smooth. Wait, smooth. Good to go. Okay. You turn it around. Turn it. I've already added some salt on this. But I will just see if the salt is enough. Kind of, I need a little bit pinch of salt. Okay, a little bit salt. Yeah, that should be enough for now. And this is the slicing atarudo. Yes, I call it ikwewo. So yeah, just keep stirring it. Okay. Okay. So it's time to put some. Okay. Let's see. The oil is not too hot. I put it in low so it will not be burned. Yeah.
I can see how this could be a problem. When my father fell, the honor should have gone to me. If you made a lie like duplex. No. Or like
that's how we make akara. Akara is a very good breakfast. Depends on what you like to eat akara with. You can eat akara with bread, with custard, with ogiri, akamu. Depends on how you want to eat it. You can also eat it just like that. So yeah, that's it. Then you turn it when you think it's done. When you think it's done, so you just turning. I'm still watching now to see if anyone will rise by themselves, or I may just yeah, it's not too strong yet, so I give time. So that's it. Okay. Depends on your pot. Some you have some sticky pot, and they stuck inside. It just depends on your fry pan. Okay. So I think we that's it. You turn it. You turn it. You turn. The akara is getting ready. It gives you different kind of shapes. Depends on the spoon that you're using to put it in the oil. If you want it to have some kind of flat shape, you use a flat spoon. But in this particular one, I'm using a deep spoon. So the spoon is kind of deep. So yeah, it will not be giving me a flat, that kind of flat or round nice shape, because the spoon I'm using is not round and it did not have that kind of shape. So yeah, that's what the shape I can get from this kind of spoon. Yeah, so that's how it goes. Akara is almost ready to eat. So yeah, almost ready to eat. And you can cook it slow also to make the beans done and good inside. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think so I'll just wait for it to a little bit brown. So a little bit brown, it will be, yeah, that will be perfect. So that's how I make my akara. So for you guys that ask for the comment section, a lot of people asked me the other day when I make the akara last week, and then I put it on my page on Facebook and Instagram. So a lot of people were asking, how did you make it? We're not from Nigeria, and then we will need to learn how to do it. Can you please make a video next time when you want to make akara, so that we can see how to make it from the beginning? So that's why I show you the beans from the beginning. This is how the beans look like. So I soak this one now over like 3 hours. So let me show you so this is the one I'm using. This is the beans I'm using. So I put it inside the the water for like 3 hours, then washed it and raised some kind of this kind of stuff that come out of it. So wash them, then blend it, and after blending, put them in the fire. So this is what we get out of it. So if you depends on the shape you want to get, so use a nice spoon that can give you a good shape, and cook akara slow. Yeah, that's it. For me, I put mine in meat. So yeah, that's it. That's how to make akara. It's good to go. Yeah, that's it. Done.